Hi everyone, this is Aisha from Neu. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since we've filmed content, so I'm really excited to be bringing you our newest video, which is how to make money on YouTube whilst you're waiting to get monetized in 2021. There are four main ways to make money whilst you're waiting to get monetized on YouTube. I'm going to go through each one with you, and if you haven't got these set up, do it today, because it is so key to start getting that little bit of income whilst you're waiting for your YouTube to kick in. Okay, so number one is affiliate marketing. This is mainly in relation to Amazon. There are a lot of different affiliate partnerships out there. A lot of individual companies will offer some type of affiliate program, so you need to really check those out. It depends on your niche and what you're offering and what you're talking about. The most obvious one to go for is Amazon, because actually that links back to a lot of products that are available. So for example, we have an Amazon partnership. So if you go on our YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that we have links to every bit of product that we use when we create this video content, from our lighting to our camera and everything else in between. And the idea is really, apart from sort of making that extra little bit of income, our primary motivation was to actually help people find the equipment, because one of the things that we found was quite helpful when we were setting up our YouTube channel was the help in terms of, well, actually, what lighting do we use? What camera do we use? So that information is there readily available, and what happens is when someone clicks, every time they click on, there's a cookie link that is dropped on their window, and Amazon are able to then track any purchases that come off the back of that within a certain time frame. So this one's quite exciting, and it really allows you to get your creative caps on, sell something, anything that's got your own logo, a message. You might have merchandise that you want to sell, so merch such as hoodies, caps. You might want to create an ebook. You might want to create a set of courses or a course where people can go on and learn about your particular subject or your niche. So really kind of think about where are the areas where you could make additional revenue. I'll give you an example here where you've got this YouTuber called Preston Plays. My son is absolutely crazy about him. And you can see when they're going through their sort of videos of Minecraft and Roblox and the things that I don't really understand, they are also promoting their own merchandise as well, which is a fantastic way of creating additional revenue. So yeah, get cracking, and do let me know if there's anything that you're thinking about in terms of creation, you're not sure. Leave a comment below, and let's have a conversation. Let's engage with the wider community. We're going to talk about something called Patreon. Some of you may have heard about it, some of you may have not. For those that are outside of the US, like myself, it's a US based platform. It's actually a membership platform for content creators and the like, to have an area where they can potentially create content that might already be out there that they're giving out for free, or they might create bespoke content for this channel, and people go and sign up, and there's a membership subscription that they have to pay. But the benefit for the user is that they get access to so much content, including yours. So if there's anything that you are creating, like we've talked about in step 2, specifically around courses, memberships, definitely get yourself on Patreon. It's just additional revenue that you don't need to even think about. We've put a link on this video, so make sure you get on there and have a look and see if it's relevant for your niche. So our final step is step 4, and we are going to talk about sponsorship. Now, this isn't really, it's not for everybody at this stage, especially if you're a new YouTuber. It is for those with a slightly more established YouTube following, or those with a very niche following. You will talk about specific things, specific topics, where you may be talking about a particular product or a service. Reach out to those brands and talk to them and say, look, you know, this is my channel, this is what I do. How do you feel about sponsorship? The ideal scenario is they come to you. That may not happen initially. So just go out there, have a list of brands that you want to work with, that you really feel that will be the perfect fit with your YouTube channel. And again, let me know, are there any brands that you want to aspire to work with? I've definitely got a few that I want to work with personally. So let's make that happen in 2021. So they're my 4 tips. So just to recap, affiliate links, selling something that you've created, Patreon, and sponsorship. Get cracking on those right now and let me know how you've done. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.